In a small town, where dreams were often crushed by poverty, lived a young man named Arjun. He had grown up watching children work in fields and factories instead of going to school. Their innocent faces, smudged with dirt, always made him wonder, why should a child's dream be buried under the weight of poverty? Arjun himself had never gone to school. His father was a farmer who could barely afford 2 meals a day. But Arjun had a vision, a dream bigger than himself. He wanted to build a school for those children, a place where they could learn for free and escape the chains of their struggles. It wasn't just a building he wanted to create, he wanted to give them hope. The problem was, Arjun had nothing, no money, no land, no support. All he had was a heart full of determination. He took up work as a laborer at construction sites, carrying bricks, mixing cement, and earning barely enough for survival. His days were spent working under the scorching sun, and his nights were filled with silent tears as he counted his tiny savings. People laughed at him. Look at him, they mocked. A poor laborer talking about building a school. He can't even build his own house. But Arjun was not the kind of person who gave up because of ridicule. Every time someone doubted him, his resolve grew stronger. He would quietly say to himself, "Today is my period of struggle. Tomorrow will be my period of success." Months turned into years. Arjun saved every single rupee he could. Sometimes, he went hungry just to add a few more coins to his savings jar. Finally, after years of hard work, he bought a small plot of land at the edge of the town. It was just a barren piece of land, but for Arjun, it was the canvas where his dream would take shape. With his own hands, he began digging the foundation. He worked day and night, often alone, with just a shovel and his determination. But life has always tested him. One night, a fierce storm swept through the town and destroyed all the progress he had made. The small walls he had built collapsed, and his heart broke along with them. For the first time, he questioned himself, is my dream too big? Am I chasing something impossible? He sat in the muddy ground as rain poured on him, feeling defeated. The next morning, an old man from the town came to him and said, Arjun, I've seen how hard you work. Struggles are not signs of failure. Those are the steps that lead you to success. If you give up now, your dream dies. Those words struck a chord in Arjun's heart. He wiped his tears, picked up his shovel, and started again. This time, he wasn't alone. A small boy named Raju, who collected scrap for a living, walked up to him one day and asked, Uncle, what are you building? A school, Arjun replied with a smile. A school? Can I help? I also want to study one day, the boy said with hope in his eyes. From that day, Raju started helping him carry water, handing him bricks, or just being there to cheer him on. Slowly, the villagers who had once laughed at him began to notice his dedication. Some donated bricks, some gave wood, and others offered free labor. Arjun's dream was no longer just his own. It became a dream for the whole community. Years of backbreaking work finally bore fruit. The school stood tall and proud, with walls painted bright and a signboard that read, Dream Academy for every child. On the day of its inauguration, children from the town, who had once been deprived of education, rushed through its gates with laughter and joy. Arjun stood at the entrance, watching them. Tears welled up in his eyes, not of sorrow, but of triumph. He remembered the nights he had slept hungry, the storms that had destroyed his work, and the endless days of struggle. Every bit of pain now felt worth it. A reporter who had come to cover the story asked him, Arjun, what kept you going all these years? Arjun smiled and said, because I believed that today's struggle will shape tomorrow's success. If you have a dream worth chasing, no amount of hardship can stop you. Over the years, the school produced countless success stories. Poor children became doctors, teachers, and engineers. They would return to Arjun with gratitude, saying, it's because of your sacrifices that we are here today. Arjun would always reply, no, it's because you believed in yourselves. My struggle only built the door, but you walked through it. And so, the barren land that once held nothing but dust became a temple of knowledge, proving one eternal truth. Struggles are not permanent. They are the bricks that build the walls of success.